Hi guys, this is Jason. Hope you're in the best of health. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 examples of YouTube channels making practically $30,000 per month doing this simple thing. And no, this doesn't involve doing any compilation videos, as that doesn't work. And no, this doesn't involve filming. And no, you won't have to show your face. This is one of the easiest YouTube channels that you can set up. I'll be showing you step by step how they are getting the content and how they are creating the video, so you can start creating and making money by using these tactics by yourself. But before I do that, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe, as I don't want you guys to miss out on my daily content, as I'll be posting videos daily on how you can start making money online. Okay, let's head over to the first example. My first example is Ask Guru. So how much is this channel making? Let's check it out. To find that out, I'll be using Social Blade. As you can see, they have uploaded 258 videos and has 30,000 subscribers. And to get an estimate of their earning, I'll be using the Social Blade YouTube money calculator. And if they have a CPM of $4, and by the way, CPM actually stands for cost per million, and this is the amount of money that a YouTuber gets paid for every 1,000 views. If they have and it can fluctuate, it can be up to $10. If they have a CPM of $4, they'll be earning $776 per day, and that would work out to $23,280 per month. And as you can see, they are posting simply clips from Reddit. You can do further research by going into this channel and listening to it. But instead of doing what they are doing and using a robotic voice, I recommend that you use your own voice. Another example is Reddit on Top. So how much is this channel earning? Let's check it out. This channel was created in June 17, 2019, and so far they have uploaded 512 videos. And they are earning $992 per day with a CPM of $4 and $29,760 per month. As you can see, they are uploading simply Reddit content again. Another example is Story Time with Reddit. This channel has uploaded 809 videos so far. Let's check out how much they are making per month. With a CPM of $4, this channel is actually making $2,464 per day. And for the month, that would be $73,920. And they're uploading simply content from Reddit. So how can you go about doing the same thing? Well, you simply go to reddit.com and sign up and search for the top trending content. For instance, you could use this. What is your best money saving strategy? You would simply copy this and copy the comments below to create the video and read it over. But to get the TV static that they normally use in the video, you can download it from YouTube. You simply type in TV static sound on YouTube and you can see this clip right here. And then you would use I like to use the y2mate.com YouTube video downloader. So you would download the video right here. And also for the background you would go to vidvo.net to download the stock free image. Let me show you an example. So okay, so we have downloaded the static. And here you have a lot of options of videos that I will be using in the background. And you will simply click on free download and download the video. I've downloaded one already. The video editing app that I'll be using is Filmora. This is the video that I downloaded. And then to add the text overlay, I just add some subtitles. Carry the text up top because you'll be writing the text in the middle. Then we'll simply go back to Reddit. And from there, simply copy and paste. And you would just do that and do that for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that would be your video. And then you would do the voiceover. And to record audio, I like to use Audacity. Audacity to me is the best free software to use to record audio. So to go over again, simply go on Reddit, choose a Reddit forum that you like, that you see as popular, and then create a video on it. And also remember that the video won't get any traction without you setting up a good thumbnail. And for thumbnails, to create a thumbnail, you can also use Canva. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe. Thank you.